Sweet Bunny and Sweet Ebony. And all the rest of that crew, Sweet Nita, that crew over there. Come on. We're doing a 20-minute workout. What's up, Ronnie? Yeah. Oh, no, you didn't, baby. No, you didn't. Going out to Sweet Sexy Tia. Good to see ya. Move over, man. Move over. Baby. No, you don't. No, you don't. We're doing a 20-minute workout. Thank you, Minnesota Avenue. Thank you for coming through here tonight. Yeah. Oh, yes, indeed. Hanging that joke. Also, I wanted to my main man, Funk, and all that Highland crew. It's good to see you. Where my man Pig. We're doing a 20-minute workout. Woo-wee. Get on down, Sweet Yummy. Work that thing, Yummy. Go ahead and stretch your stuff, girl. Come on with that part down there. Yeah. Oh, yes, indeed. Hello, Dream. Hello, baby. Thank you for coming through here tonight. Hey, stay. We're going to 20-minute workout. Oh, no, you ain't. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. No, she didn't. Oh, no, she didn't. No, she didn't. Oh, yes, she did. Get on down. Yes, indeed. What's up, Martin? Shout out to my man, Mutt. And all the Trinidad crew. Come on. Say, Main Street. All hanging up, fellas. Thank you for coming through here tonight. Don't forget about the Black Hole Friday night show. Saturday night. Black Hole Saturday night. Clifton Church. Yeah. But y'all know about that because y'all up there each and every Saturday night. Yes, indeed, y'all in there. Oh, don't forget about that special. It's going from $5 to $10 to $15. Yes, indeed. We're doing a 20-minute workout. Shout out to that Kiddo Work crew. Oh, yeah. Good to see you tonight, baby. Thank you for coming through here with your sexy self. Shout out to Sexy Tia. It's good to see ya. You and your crew. We're doing a 20-minute workout. Yeah. Oh, get on there, that red seat. Yeah. You know what we're doing now? Come on. I think we almost ready. I think we're ready for this one, Butch. Come on. Come on now. Get on that back in the front seat. Also known as the Sweet Angie up here. And Sweet Pinky right here, yo. Come on. Come on, get him over there, baby. That's right, go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. I think you're ready. Here we go again. Come on. And the honey went back and forth and forth and back. Again and again. We were born until the morning rolling. I got a hundred feet by. As polite as could I steal. Before it's goddamn bitch. The pussy was going back. Open that look, she licked the shoulder. Dick got the thumb. And the young lady took the swab. What? She had to go back. She had to go back. Here we go on the step now. I like to say a booty brown. To have a stain in my flavor. Look, breast be moving. Pussy is label. To rock a nigga with the big bone anatomy and all that. Holler is holler. Yes, indeed. Now it's been on my hump hard. To tell the other motherfuckers don't bother. She got to come back, baby, come back. Yeah. Here we go again. Here we go, buddy. Come back, baby, come back. Sweet Emily. Yeah. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. To the Random Church crew. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Man, come in the crew. Here we go again. One more time now. Come back, baby, come back. Now here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. To Makiba. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Sweet shot. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Yes, indeed. Here we go again. Here we go. Come on. Like a fucker, they can lick. Lick. Call me the phone, but the nigga don't check. All I'm really interested in is that he's strong. Oh, yeah. And if you think I'm calling back, you must be joking. But listen, I kick the beaver hunt on the dugout. The dugout. And if you ain't the one, you get the hell out. Peter, the D to the E to the R-E-K, and I am got the flavor to be your lifesaver. Come back, baby, come back. And here we go again. I don't want to keep up. Come back, baby, come back. How you doing, man? Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Behave yourself. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Minnesota Avenue. Here we go again. Next, hit it. Oh, hanging in no jump. Going out to the Lincoln Heights, honey. Oh, yes, indeed. Thank you for coming out here tonight, ladies. Woo. Oh, don't give too much, baby. Don't you give up too much. We might get jealous up here. Yes, indeed. I love the fun of these, honey. Yeah. Get on down, Andrew. Go on and stretch your stuff. Get so much. Lots of good crew. Uptown crew. I thought I saw my man Mike too. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Doggy day. Come on. Black Old Friday night. North Carolina State Week. Along with Christopher Williams. Come on. And Bill Bellamy. Hey, my man Bernie Mac. It is absolutely free for both you and me. Come on. Oh, yes, indeed. That's it, baby. Ow. Yeah. Shout out to Erica. Oh, no. Ain't nothing going on over here, baby. Ain't nothing going on. Let's hit them with the come back. Come back, baby, come back. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Come on, man. Here we go again. Here we go. Oh, come back, baby, come back. Oh, sweet Tia. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. You better watch yourself. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Say what? Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Oh, behave yourself. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. We got a party going on, Black. Here we go again. Here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Come on, baby. Here we go again.
When it's time to squeeze, never forget that on my knees. Let's get up next, man, it ain't got time to tease. need no rest.
What?
Rolling with the number one to another dropless. Love to see the girls when they work the world topless.
Where you going?
Yeah, just my night. I said it all right when I got a fly honey in my stomach. Take her to the bedroom, what I'm all about. 6 days a year that I go on. Feel the skills and work the body like that. And you know I got it.
Come on.
Don't do the sweat, baby, dog, is out here.
What?
If we go to lunch, I ain't cheating, we're going Dutch. Look, there's been a man on the business, he ass in a. If I think you're burning out pants, I like the sex, back over like a stuff. I'm aboard in the rise man 10.
Uh-oh.
I'm watching you, the smoke chicker. I'm making the plans, the beat, looking at everybody on the kicker. Such a funny thing, but that never be you, I never can behave. So I go into a freak mode, making love on the floor. Keep on my super chills. I'm in the summer when the time again, and when the jaws drop her, I'm not stopper. Like it when the bell lock her, pussy on top her. Never would I share, yes man, and it's my brother. Sit you on your fucking way like a grasshopper.
Come on, Angie. You got to come back, baby. Come back. So here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come
You
back.
gotta watch yourself right. Here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Say what? Here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Out to the 100. Here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Man, lean came to blend. Here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Ooh, yes indeed. Here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Yes indeed. Here we go again. Minnesota Avenue.
Come back, baby, come back.
Back to Rangerville. Here we go again. Come on, yo. Oh, you see this up in the peanut? We got a party going on up here. Yes, we do. Shout out to the Killer World crew. And sweet Angie, too. Get on down, Reese. Going out to all the Eastgate crew up in here. Yes, indeed, each and every Wednesday night. All ladies are $5 before 11:30. From 11 to 11:30, each and every one of you honeys is $5. Happy birthday, Deborah. Happy birthday, baby. What's up, Jose? See you like my man Jose. We gonna give him some play. Along with my man Carlton. Big little fella. And my man Dynamite. Working tonight. I think you're all right tonight. Come on. Yes, indeed. You got out of there kind of fast up there, Dynamite. Look like you might have ran out of there. Where Black at? Look like he ran out there the other night. Oh, yes, indeed. Thank you for coming out partying with us. Love to party with that Lincoln High School. Love to party with Lincoln Bowling, too. Come on. Also want to thank Sweet Yummy and Sweet Yolanda down there for turning us on tonight, y'all. Get on down. Tell my man, Ed, there. Where you at, Ed? Hey, Al. Hey, Ed. Al, let's have one to come back.
Come back, baby, come back.
One more time. Then here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
For Sweet Francine. Here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Say what? Then here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Say what? Then here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Uh-oh. Then here we go again. Here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Here we go again. What's up, man?
Come back, baby, come back.
Now, I like that part. Here we go again.
Me and the honey went forth, back, get in the
Yeah.
ship. We were born until the morning.
Yeah.
I got the honey, but I beat
Sure.
as but I still, because God never gets it. The pussy was low. Open this stomach, let me swing on the poster. Look, she looked the scroll. Dick had to follow. Then the young lady took the swallow. She had to go back. I had to go back. She's all of that now. I like to say I'm truly proud.
Uh-oh.
To have a staying in my state. Look,
Hell out. B to D to the E to the R-E-K. You know,
Got the flavor.
to be your life.
When it's time to tease, never get down on my knees. Next is up next, and it ain't that time to tease. Standing on my back, but I know there's some that. Let me hit the spins, then they want to come back. Never will I beg for the leg, it's a must. I want the girl to trust. I sometimes do it for the lust of the sex, cause it's always best. I go all night because I need no rest. Rolling with the number one crew and number top. Love to see the girls when they work the most top. Yeah. Just my night. I said it all right when I got a fly honey in my sight. Take her to the bed, show what I'm all about. This is the year that I go all out. Reveal the skills and work the body like that. And you know I got to come back.
Don't need a sweat, baby, dog, it's not getting much. If we go to lunch, I ain't cheating, we going Dutch. Look, there's been no gas on the mystery answer. No, if I think you're burning out, man. I like to say sex back. Mad to broke a lack. Yo, I'm born in the rise fantastic. But you need a strong chick. My favorite player, the brief. Looking at everybody on the pick up. Look, such a funny thing, but every time I hear you, I never get behave. So I go into a freak mode, making love on the floor. Keep on my super temp. So this song with a time again and with the jaw dropper. I'm gonna stop her. Love it when the girl lock a pussy on top of her. Never will I share, yes man, I just my brother. Sit you on your fucking way like a grandfather.
You got to come back, baby, come back, behave yourself. Here we go again, here we go again.
Come back, baby, come back.
Here we go again, hanging at a lid. Come back, baby, come back, ride a wind. Here we go again, here we go again. Come back, baby, come back, ride a wind. Here we go again, here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Say what? Now here we go again, here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Say what? Now here we go again, here we go again. Come back, baby, come back. Say what? Now here we go again, here we go.
Come back, baby, come back.
Say what? Yo, check it. We're the R.E. band.
Come on, we got you.
JB.
Time to go.
Ooh,
Another.
go and rap.
From the all-time pro.
JB, and now shake it, mama, shake that.
Come on now.
Shake it, mama, shake it. Shake it, mama, shake it.
Come on now.
Shake it till you shake it.
Come on now.
Shake it, Nancy, shake it.
Come on now.
Shake it, Daddy, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it.
Come on now.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
Come on now.
Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Hey, that's Gorilla. Shake it, baby, shake it. I see you, baby. Shake it, mama, shake it. Sweet Andrea.
Sweet Ava, lock it.
And one of the Sweet Deborah for celebrating her birthday. And Sweet Asia. And my main man, Bullet. That's
Lisa, lock it.
I want to thank all them Motown honeys for coming through here tonight. Thank you, ladies.
Sweet Lisa,
Lord have mercy.
sweet.
Oh, I feel that. I feel I love it. Hey, I feel it. I love it. Hey, I feel it. Oh, yeah. Hey, I love it. Oh, yeah. Hey, I feel it. Me too. Lock it. Lock it. Hey, I feel it. Hey, I love it. You just cut up tonight. I feel it.
Mercy,
I love it. Hey, I feel it. Uh-oh. I love it. I feel it. Hey, Donnell, come on.
you know this one is kind of funky like a moan.
Yeah.
Stupid like a donkey, I'm addicted like a chump.
Hey, hey.
So here we go again, do the show again. Sweet Asia, lock it. Yeah, Asia got a
My man
birthday.
Sean. And my man Cliff for coming through here
Sweet
tonight. Thank you,
Kia,
fellas. Good to see you
yeah,
guys.
come on, lock.
Behave yourself, man.
Yeah,
Push it.
new project, lock.
You trying to tell us put out of here. You trying to, okay, you gonna have to behave yourself, man, girl. You get these fellas too excited up here.
Sweet Nessa, lock it.
Thank you for coming out tonight, Nisha. And tell Sweet Shalita we said hello. Yeah, come on, man.
Mercy,
Lock it. Come on, man.
yeah, disco queen,
Come on, man.
yeah,
Come on, man. Wow. I feel it. Come on,
yeah,
I feel it. I love it. I feel it. Come on.
lock.
I love it. I feel it. I got a Minnesota Avenue. I feel it. I see. I feel it. I said lock it. Lock it. I feel it. I love it. I feel it.
Mercy, lock.
I caught it though. I feel it. I caught it. I love it. I got my hand full up here. Hey, down there one more time.
You know this one is kind of funky like a moan. Stupid as a donkey, I'm addicted like a chump. Hey, so here we go again, do the show again.
Hey, go to Big Bang. Get busy. Busy.
Oh, I like
If I
this.
right back here next Wednesday night. Get busy. Don't forget before you leave, Lisa. That's a deal. Thank you and Sweet Monica for coming out here tonight. We also want to thank Sweet Tia. Coming up here telling us
Disco
busy. And Sweet Francine for telling us on each and every night. Yeah. And Sweet Pinky out here.
Mercy, disco
Yeah. And thanks Sweet Yummy for coming down here and partying with us tonight too, y'all. Thank you, Yummy. You too, Irene. Get busy.
I remember this.
Oh, yeah.
I remember this.
You just cutting up tonight.
Oh, goddamn. White boy, come on, white boy.
Come on, baby.
White boy.
Come on, baby. Behave yourself. Get busy. How you that snake? Thank my man Snake and my man Lynn. Big Lamar. Tony T. My man Tommy and Twan and all the crew. Come on. Ow. My man Mutt too. And tell my man Mal we said what's up when you talk to him. Come on. Oh, you ain't girl. Lord have mercy. You just cutting up tonight. You just don't know what to do. Oh, and you too. I see you down there. One time before we go, ladies. Pop that cool. And Sweet Irene too. Pop, pop that coochie, baby. Pop, pop, pop. One more time. Pop, pop, pop that coochie, baby. Pop, pop, pop. Co-sign that night. Pop, pop, pop that coochie, baby. Pop, pop, pop that coochie, baby. Pop, pop, pop that coochie, baby. Pop, pop, pop that. Oh, watch your hands, man. Pop, pop that. Hey, Donnell, come on.
Watch this lyrical, my love is so low. Just to let you know I got the antidote.
Hey, hey.
So here I go again, and here I go again. Do the show again. Tony Blunt, give them what they want.
Good. Well, that's who that is. I'm good to see when the lights was off. Good to see you, like Tony Blunt.
Yeah, my man, hey.
Hey, over here. Yes, indeed. Lock, lock it. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. See what? Lock it. My fault, man. Thank you for coming through here. You and my man Chris and my main man Black. Tell Garcia we said what's up. Now, lock it. Yeah, I know. When y'all talk to him, tell him we say what's up. We still having a good time out here. Thank you for coming tonight, ladies. I feel it. I feel it. I love it. I feel it. I love it. I feel it. Uh-oh. I love it. I can only go. I feel it. I said lock it. Sweet Patricia. I feel it. Hello, darling. I love it. Hey, I feel it. I love it. Thank you, baby. I feel it. Happy birthday to you. I love it. One more before we go, man.
Watch this lyrical, like a miracle, my love is so
All right.
low. Just to let you know I got the antidote.
Hey, hey.
So here I go again, and here I go again. Do the show again, do the show again.
Oh, it's your birthday too. Happy birthday, baby. I'm sorry. Happy birthday, Patricia. Yeah.
Tony Blunt,
Lock it. Yeah.
yeah,
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Patricia,
Hey, the brothers. Thank you for coming out here, bringing it out to Manitou. Also want to thank the BCC honeys for coming here tonight. Good to see you, darling. Sweet Ebony and Sweet Bunny and all that crew. Lock it. Yeah. They telling me about to go. What's your name, man? What's your name? Yeah. I'm gonna make sure we holler if you coming to the Black Hole Saturday. You gonna be at the Black Hole Saturday. I feel it. Yeah, these honeys are distracting my man up here. Yes, indeed. No. Yeah, they said we gotta get out of here. He's getting ready to put my man Tony Blunt on and my main man Joe Fat Mo. He claimed he had something slick tonight. He wanted to hear what he had going. Thank you, baby. Thank you for coming out here. And I want to dedicate one to my man Ali. Oh yeah, what's that Kitty Cabaret? Where's that Kitty Cabaret? Over at the Dino's, over at the Metro Club. Don't nobody know what Dino's is. They know what the Metro Club is. That's April the 10th from 2 to 6. And Bonnie the Dinosaur gonna be over there too.